Okay folks, here we have a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria P71. Yes, the P71, which is a police service vehicle. It has the 4.6 liter V8 engine in it. It has 139,000 miles. The tires are 17-inch tires. They're GT Radial and they have 9,000 miles on it. That's for all four tires. It has two spotlights on it, as you can see. Like I said, service vehicle. So this was a Sunnyvale, California police car. It has dual exhaust that is a muffler delete to 4-inch pipes to chrome tips. The only real body damage that you'll find on this is here on the bumper. It has this cracked part on the cover, but the bumper itself is fine. So the paint, of course, is a little faded, but we did have it completely detailed. So the interior has been detailed, and the outside, they did the clay bar on it. So, I mean, it's still, you know, looks good at a distance, you know, nice and black and sticks out. And it sounds good when it's driving by. And I have video here with it driving by and more video of the interior and tell you more about it. And again, it's $6,500. That is cash, no checks, no wire transfers, no, you know, cashier's checks. Good old American hard cash. There I go. As you can see, the rear seat is not that hard plastic cop seat. They replaced the front and rear seats from the Crown Vic with Grand Marquis seats. You can see they're in very good condition. They're nice, soft, and comfortable. Big plush seats. There is a cigarette burn right there, but other than that, they're in really great shape. A lot better than the old cop seats. Of course, the Crown Vic is known for having a very large trunk. You can put all kind of stuff in there. Lots of groceries and other items. Full-size spare. And you can see where the stop sticks used to be located at. As you can see, the tire pressure indicator sensor is showing. The tires are not down. What it is my son took off all the sensors because, you know, you put air in the tires and then shortly afterwards your tires go down just a hair and then the sensor popped back on. So he just took them off, so just deal with it that way. The airbag sensor light is on because when they took out the Crown Vic seats and put in the Grand Marquis seats, they didn't replace the sensor that is attached to the seats. It was like $100 and something to replace just that sensor, and it has nothing to do with the airbag in the front or rear. It's just what was in the seat itself. Okay, let's start her up so you can hear what she sounds like. Starts first time, of course. Now this has dual exhaust with the muffler delete and to 4-inch pipes with chrome tips. Sounds pretty healthy, right? Yeah, she'll get up and go. And as you can see, it has a JVC stereo and it has Bluetooth, so you can, you know, use your Spotify or whatever. Air conditioner, and it does work, which a lot of Vegas cars do not have air conditioning. You have a spotlight on each side, and even got some handcuffs on there. So here's the other spotlight. So it's got both. And like I said, the interior is nice and clean. These came out of a Grand Marquis, so they're very comfortable. Okay, here's that 4.6 liter V8, just humming along. He's also got a Champion battery in there. It's a good car. She'll get up and go. You pop on the highway, no problem. So come check her out.